So we've got to change that schrader valve. There's a way to do that without evacuating the whole system. We're going to show you that now. Now they make a tool for this, and you can do it for either the high or the low side. They've got a different fitting for both ones. Now here's the tool kit for this. It comes with a fitting for both the high or the low side. We're going to switch to the high side fitting. Basically, you attach the quick connect on the high side port, and there's a valve with a black handle. Now that's in the open position, but you notice up here you can pull this stem all the way out. It only pulls so far out, and then you have to unscrew it. Once it's pulled out, you can actually see that's where your schrader valve will actually go in. So it should take your schrader out and put a new one in. We'll show you how to work it now. Okay, how you work this is you simply just hook up the quick connect to the port. Now you notice this, you've got the black handle, which is your shutoff, and then the stem on the top. So if we try and turn that black handle right now, it won't turn because the stem is in the way. So you have to pull the stem all the way out when you're ready to take the schrader out, and then that valve will actually turn. So what you want to do first is have the valve in the up position like this, and put your stem all the way down and engage the schrader valve, and then twist it out. And then pull your stem all the way up, and then you shut your valve off. Now there's a little finger screw right here that you can loosen, which will take your stem out. And then you can see that the old schrader valve is right on the very end. So we simply take that off. Okay. We'll get the new schrader valve. And you put that on the end of the stem. You insert that back down the opening. You screw down the bottom until it's tight. And at that point, you can open the valve and push your stem all the way back down. Screw the schrader valve back in place. And then undo your disconnect. So now you've got a new schrader valve in place, and you did not have to discharge the air conditioning. Now we always like to change both schrader valves. If one's leaking, the other one may not be far behind. So we're going to change to the low side quick connect. And then it's the same procedure. Attach your low side quick connect, push your stem all the way down, and then you can unscrew the schrader valve. Pull your stem all the way up, turn the valve to shut the freon gas off. And then there's the schrader valve. Just put a new schrader valve on the end of the stem. Insert it down to the hole. Once it's tight, push the stem down. You do have to open that port so that the stem can travel. Get your schrader valve tight. Undo your disconnect, and you've got brand new schrader valves. So it's a handy little device. Allows you to actually change the schrader valves without discharging the system. Of course, at this point you'd want to use your listening ear again to confirm it, make sure it has sealed it off. Put your covers back on and you're all set.